Come here. Ready? Good girl. Yeah, good girl.
Aww.
Good baby. That is Kelly. I think she was younger than that, but she's 17 years old. Yeah, we spend a lot of time with them lately. We live on that beautiful 27 feet trailer for about 6 months now. Since the situation with the social services went more worse. But the good development about it is after 5 months, Lisa filled up application for some low-income housing
Actually,
a while ago,
6.
and been asking to make man worker to go directly to the office, and it's never been done. And it's been done yesterday after about 5 months. And
Hi,
also
baby.
have a lot of other thing we should been have done, and it's never been done.
Hi, baby.
And after that, they focus on our temper. I also put a request to have my young daughter to come ride horses here. Has been refused one already. I put another request for now. Also have that old girl behind Lisa here.
Sasha!
Chelsea is right there behind Lisa. Sasha, come here, baby. Come on.
Oh, Kelly, really.
And she's 15 years old, and probably we're gonna have to put her down this fall before the winter. And I also put a request for my daughter to be able to come see her. That dog was with my daughter since the day she's born. I don't know if that will be approved or not. If it's not, I will seriously like to see the legal reason behind it, and the reason why it's not possible. And yeah, and we're gonna have to. We don't know what's going on. If we're gonna get a place to live or not, then we need to work on our trailer. We need to work in our trailer for the winter. See, right now she pinned her ear against her head. It's because about that little one there. Who invaders? Nah. Nice.
Come here, Kelly.
See that it's territorial behavior
Come on,
because
Kelly.
I have some carrot and
That's a good girl.
you know, just like
Hey,
teenager.
I don't have any carrots.
I have few left. Be nice. There we go, good girl. Good girl is nice. Good, it was gentle. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, good girl. And you guys have seen a few videos I have on our YouTube channel. That's Kelly, is the one who was not too cooperative at the beginning. I've been lucky, she hasn't bucked me on the video. She have tried to buck me a few times earlier, nothing serious. But
Sasha!
Sasha, there's the dog going in the pond.
Oh, boy.
She's not too bad. We catch her before she went all the way in.
Yeah, she's just ready to take a swim.
Basically, it's what we're doing from our day now. Expect and hope for the best. and on the same time try to get ourselves ready to pass the winter in a 1969 trailer, and we're gonna get there. And yeah, that was with the video for today. And then tonight we might gonna do some bread.
Well, we will attempt the bread. We'll see how that starts off. And then we might tape that one.
Nah.
Oh, you be careful, because I don't want you to think I zap you.
And if she took off, if you see the winter air start coming.
Yeah, such a beautiful girl. I love this one here. Oh,
They are beautiful animals.
I miss my Sagey.
Yes, me. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look at her.
Yeah, monkey.
Just loving it. She's like, I'm loving it and I want more carrots, dude.
I have no more.
She's like, dude, give me more carrots. Oh, Callie, you're such a good girl.
And see, even Belly with the horses around, she needs to stand my feet.
Esme is so funny. Esmeralda is got a bit of an attitude.
She come down quite a bit. She's lost Belly.
She's funny. She's a funny character.
You zap her.
I didn't
Not
touch
bad,
her.
not
I didn't touch her. She touched the
Yeah, she
fence
touched the
herself.
fence. See, that is what's happened.
I didn't touch
Come
her.
on
I
here.
was just about to touch her, and then it
Come on
like
here.
zapped.
No,
She touched the thing. Oh,
No,
Callie.
No, Belly. Stop.
Court.
Court. Yeah. Because now she knows the thing the horse don't behave good. No.
Oh, Callie. It's okay, baby. You pet her to show her that she's okay? She wasn't sure what zapped her. But she touched the fence and got a zap on the nose. It's not a horrible zap. I mean, it's enough for us to be able to tolerate it. So, I mean, I've been zapped by the fence. I don't know how many times. We all have. Hugo with his bald head's been zapped a few times, clipped on his ear or something. Today I went to go pet the one way out there, Zandy. He was all happy to have attention and everything, and the current of the fence caught my side of my coat and went all the way up the side of my arm and zapped Zandy, and Zandy went taking off. Of course. See, I'll put my coat on it. Oh, there we go. See? It's a thin coat. But I got another coat under the thin coat. But my coat carried a current. Look at her. She's so happy. To belly. Callie's like, yeah, we're not going to do this for a bit.
Come. There we go. There we go. Belly come. Belly. 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 Move. Belly move. Belly. Belly. Come here. Sasha.
She's right
Sasha.
behind you.
Sasha, come. Sasha, come. Hey, come here. Sit. Sasha.
No, she doesn't want to sit. Sasha, sit.
Sasha, come here. She's a little bit nervous about I rolled her horse, so. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Wow.
Hi, baby. No. I know I zapped you last time I petted you, Whisper.
There we go.
I zapped you and Zandy at the same time. And I didn't mean to. I was taking spurs out of your guys' fur, or hair. And then I leaned into the fence a little too much, and then poof, because I got some spurs in their hair. So I was trying to take some out for Zandy.
Try to stay away from me back in.
Yeah. It was funny because Zandy came up earlier, and I was petting Zandy, and then Whisper came up.
What is Zandy?
He's over there. And then Whisper came up, and all of a sudden the current caught my coat, and I zapped both of them at the same time.
Does she have enough? I have no more gallets. She said, I waste my time with you, old man.
But I can't help following you around, hey? Look at that. Look at her eye. She's got a beautiful eye. Hang on. Let's see if I can catch it. Bring her closer and see if I can catch her eye. She's got an eye like a galaxy, this one. There it is. It's like a galaxy when you look at it, though. Doesn't show on video very well. But
no, the camera doesn't catch it. I tried the other day to catch her blue eye. And
no.
Yeah, she have enough.